You need to hear this if you're a nature lover. Coral reefs are calling your name. Coral reefs are like underwater cities bursting with life and color. These vibrant ecosystems are home to a quarter of all ocean species. That's right, 25%. From tiny fish to big sharks, everyone loves coral reefs. But they're not just pretty to look at. They protect our coastlines from storms and provide food and medicine. Sadly, coral reefs are in trouble. Pollution and climate change are taking a toll. But guess what? We can help. By reducing our carbon footprint and supporting reef-friendly products, we can make a difference. So next time you think of the ocean, remember the coral reefs. They're not just beautiful, they're essential. Thanks for watching. Dive deeper into the wonders of the sea and help protect our coral reefs.